Hello and welcome back to another video with me, Adriana, your host. In today's video, I'm going to be reacting to something that's been highly recommended. So the artist or group, I'm presuming, is called the Muffinz, and the song is Soundcheck. If you guys are excited for this video, then definitely stay tuned for the full duration of the video. I would also recommend that you head over to their channel to show them some love and support. Click on the link down in my bio section so that you can watch this video all the way to the end. And if you've not yet checked out my personal channel, go ahead and do that too. I have linked that down below in the description box. Over there, my content's a little bit different. You get to connect with me a little bit more because it's more about following me on my life journey, travel content, makeup content, hair content, talks, bit of everything. To be honest, I'm winging it, so if you like my personality, you want to see more of it, then you can definitely head over to my personal channel and show me some love over there as well. But I think that's all I need to say, so let's get straight into this video. The first thing I want to say is very random, so don't judge me. But this is probably a really silly question. It could be a coincidence that they're all bald. Hear me out, hear me out, hear me out. Wait. Or are they related? That was the first thought. So please let me know down in the comment section, because I don't know. You guys know I don't do my research beforehand because I'm a busy girly. So I like to learn through my comments. So if you could let me know whether they're related, whether they're brothers, cousins, I don't know, whatever the case may be, let me know down in the comment section. You know I love hearing voices in another language. I don't know what it is, but it just feels so real and so wholesome and just good to me. So far, this is sounding amazing. I love their voices together, individually. Ain't got a clue what they're saying, but just the tone. And they're also different as well. I can't wait to see what else they do with this. So let's keep listening.
Wachila kumabe, sika jina la kiyubu, tukila pu. Washikara kara chilo, wele yoku, wele payu, wele hile yela kuyu, wele jina kayato.
I love to see the reactions from the audience as well. I just clocked how in love that audience is with these guys, and I completely get it because I'm a fan and I'm only just listening to them. Like, their voices for me are just perfection. Like I said, I don't have a clue what they're saying, but that doesn't matter because music is a universal language, as someone once very wisely posted in my comment section. I won't forget that. I don't know who said it, but a word. I'm just happy listening to this. I don't know. You're probably sick of seeing me smiling. Like, all I'm doing is smiling throughout this, but that's good music to me. Music that can evoke like a feeling out of me is always the best kind of music. So thank you so much for recommending this. I'm super glad that I decided to listen to it, and it's almost over. But let's keep listening.
Ilele jikumalo ye jina gimo dino ali ngoye welelo welelo welelo. Thank you.
Whatever he just said, it felt profound. I don't know what he just said. He could have said, I'm about to go out and walk my dog. I don't know. If you know, let me know, because I'm intrigued. That there was just something so deep about that little segment there. His eyes closed. He was just in the zone. So I'd love to know what he was saying, please. Thank you. Anyway, that brings me to the end of this video. Oh, I hate saying that because I don't want to go. But I'll be back. You know I will. I'm interested to know what you thought of this, so let me know. And yeah, massive thank you to whoever recommended or suggested this. Thoroughly enjoyed it. You guys know I love to hear a voice in another language. I'm a music lover through and through, so this is literally my happy place. So thank you all so much for your recommendations / suggestions. And you always come through. Like you just get me, you know? Yeah. That was lush. That brings me to the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, then be sure to show me some love in whatever way you please, and I will see you in the next one. I hope you all have the most amazing week. Peace and love.